Unleashing the power of adverbs of degree. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing topic in English grammar: adverbs of degree. As the name suggests, these are adverbs that convey the intensity, degree, or extent of something. They are the answer to how much, in what degree, or to what extent. So buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of adverbs. So, what exactly are adverbs of degree? Well, they're words that modify adjectives, verbs, or other adverbs to give us more information about the intensity or degree of the action, quality, or manner. Some common examples of adverbs of degree are words like very, quite, to, enough, and extremely. For example, in the sentence, "She is very happy," the adverb very is expressing the degree of her happiness. Without the adverb, we would know she's happy, but with it, we know she's more than just happy. She's very happy. One crucial aspect of using adverbs of degree is knowing where to place them in your sentences. Generally, they're placed 1. Before the adjective or adverb they are modifying. For example, he is extremely talented. Here, extremely is modifying the adjective talented. 2. Before the main verb except the verb to be. For example, she always eats breakfast. Here, always is modifying the verb eats. But when using the verb to be, we say, she is always late. Now, let's explore some common adverbs of degree and how to use them correctly. 1. Very, used to emphasize adjectives and adverbs. E.g., it's very cold today. 2. To shows an excessive or undesirable amount. E.g., she is too shy. 3. Enough, placed after the adjective, adverb, or verb that it's modifying, and it means a sufficient amount. E.g., he is strong enough to lift that box. 4. Quite means to a considerable extent or fairly. E.g., I'm quite tired. Common mistakes happen when using adverbs of degree. Here are a few tips to avoid them. 1. The adverb enough should be placed after the adjective or adverb it's modifying, not before. E.g., it's correct to say, you're fast enough, not, you're enough fast. 2. Avoid double negatives. While it's common in some languages to use a double negative for emphasis, in English this usually creates a positive statement. E.g., I don't need no help is incorrect. You should say, I don't need any help. And there we have it, folks. I hope you now feel more comfortable using adverbs of degree in your English sentences. Remember, practice is key, so try to use these adverbs in your daily conversations. By expressing degrees or levels of intensity, you'll make your English sound more natural and nuanced. As always, happy learning and see you in our next lesson.